Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the class on boron chemistry. Yesterday, we have seen synthesis of higher boranes from diborane. Today, we will see the structure of tetraborane. Tetraborane is a liquid compound. Its structure is similar to diborane, but there are some distinctive differences between diborane and tetraborane. A tetraborane, there is a boron-boron bond, which is about 1.71 angstroms distance. In diborane, we do not have boron-boron bond, but in a tetraborane, we have a boron-boron bond. So in tetraborane, there is one boron-boron bond, and there are 4 3-center 2 electron bonds. This is 1 3-center 2 electron bond. This is second one. This is third one. This is fourth one. So there are 4 3-center 2 electron bonds and 1 boron-boron bond. Its melting point is minus 120 degrees centigrade, and its boiling point is 18 degrees centigrade. That means it is a low boiling liquid, or you can consider it as a gas at the room temperature. Its boiling point is 18 degrees centigrade. What is room temperature? Room temperature means it is 25 degrees centigrade. So at room temperature, it is a gas. It is a colorless gas and poisonous also. With a disgusting odor. Look at pentaborane. Pentaborane is a liquid. Its structure is remember, these are not bonds. Dotted lines are not bonds. Dotted lines are drawn to just show you the shape. In pentaborane, it is having a square pyramid shape for the borons. Now, 4 borons and 1 boron will be above the plane. Above the plane. So that I will represent it like this. This is above the plane. They will be these 4 borons are in the plane, and this boron is above the plane, and it is connected to 1 hydrogen. So just for borons, it is square planar structure, square pyramid structure. Boron atoms are in square pyramid structure. And each boron, there is a 3 center, 2 electron bond. There is a 2 center, 2 electron bond, normal bonds. So altogether in pentaborane, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3 center, 2 electron, BHB bonds. Its melting point is minus 47 degrees centigrade. Its boiling point is 60 degrees centigrade. So obviously it is a liquid at a room temperature. In boron nitrogen compounds, there were 2 different compounds. First one is boron nitride. Boron nitride structure is similar to graphite. It is a white slippery material. And it has same structure as graphite. In a hexagonal lattice like this. Boron and nitrogen are bonded to each other in a hexagonal 6-membered ring. And this is extended. So boron nitrogen with 6-membered fused 6-membered rings contains a similar structure to graphite. Graphite also contains 6-membered carbon atoms. So we can extend it to any extent. I'll just draw one more. So we can extend this. Each boron is bonded to 3 other atoms, and each nitrogen also contains 3 bonds. Now, boron is a Lewis acid which needs electrons. Nitrogen is a Lewis base which is having an additional electron pair. So boron is having an empty orbital. Nitrogen is having an additional electron pair. So nitrogen can easily donate its electron pair to the. So in all bonds, nitrogen and boron, one side they are doubly bonded, other side they are singly bonded. Because nitrogen is donating electron pair, it gains positive charge. Boron is gaining electron pair, so it gains negative charge. So each boron is negatively charged and each nitrogen is positively charged. This is the structure of boron nitride. Even in graphite also, carbon is having a 6-membered rings, and all the 6-membered rings are fused together in a sheet-like structure where carbon is in sp2 hybridization and it has a conjugated double bonds. So boron nitride also having a similar structure to graphite. Borage has the molecular formula B3N3H6. It is also known as inorganic benzene. Because it has a similar structure like benzene. So it is also called as inorganic benzene. Only thing is, it is more reactive than benzene. Benzene is more stable, whereas borage is less stable compared to benzene. So it is more reactive than benzene. When we look at the structure is similar to this. It is having a 6-membered ring where each boron is bonded to 2 nitrogens and 1 hydrogen. Similarly, each nitrogen is bonded to 2 borons and 1 hydrogen. As I said earlier, each nitrogen is having an additional lone pair and each boron is having an empty orbital. So nitrogen can easily donate its electron pair to the boron so that it can generate a double bond. So when we write the complete structure, it is having a similar structure like benzene, where benzene is completely composed of only carbons and hydrogens. And each carbon is in sp2 hybridization and it is having conjugation. So these pi bonds are rotating. Because nitrogen is donating electron pair, it gains positive charge. Since boron is gaining electron pair, it gains negative charge. So all borons are negatively charged, all nitrogens are positively charged in borage. Since it is having a similar structure to benzene, it is called as inorganic benzene. Now we will look at the synthesis of borage. Borage is prepared from ammonium chloride and boron trichloride with 1:1 ratio in chlorobenzene solvent at 140 to 150 degrees centigrade. Here we will get trichloroborage. Each nitrogen will bear a hydrogen, but each boron will bear a chlorine. So this is B3, N3, H3, Cl3. It is not borage. when we reduce this using sodium borohydride, sodium borohydride is a reducing agent. When we reduce this, each hydride ion H minus, it gives H minus ions. So this hydride ion will react with boron and chlorine will be leaving. So what we get? We get boragine. Of course, hydrogens were already there on nitrogen. Now these H minus are reacting with boron and they will generate boragine. Now the same compound can be treated with methyl magnesium bromide. Here methyl is negatively charged, MgBr is positively charged. So methyl acts as a nucleophile. Because chlorides are good leaving groups, this methyl minus will attack on boron, chloride will be leaving. So it is a similar structure, similar reactivity to sodium borohydride. Here methyl acts as a nucleophile. Methyl acts as a nucleophile, whereas chlorine acts as a leaving group. The shortcut is Nu. For leaving group, it is Lg. Now, when we replace this, what we will get? There are hydrogens on nitrogen, but here we will get methyl groups on boron.